She writes notes on the edge? That is so cool! Hold on, I don't know if this is it. Okay, hold on. Are you trying to make that like a webcam? Oh my god! Trying to make it
okay,
look
come
cool.
on.
Like you have a laptop with a webcam.
Stop! It keeps falling. Come say hi.
Hi, Sarah!
Hi, Sarah. Okay, so she's being dumb.
Happy dog. Ow!
Can you talk to Sarah, please?
What do you want me to say? I said hi.
Wow, you're gonna make this no fun at all. So we just watched the Hoedown Throwdown, and we're gonna learn it, and we're gonna teach it to you, and then you have to do it at prom. But Tori said I'd be thrown on the floor if they yelled Hoedown Throwdown. I don't think that's
She
very
would,
nice.
and you know it.
Anyways,
You hear how she's got to keep clearing her throat?
Tori
Wonder what
thinks
it's
there's a
clogged
penis in
with.
it.
You were so stupid.
I actually don't even know if this is on us right now because Tori wouldn't just do what I wanted to with it.
Well, I am trying to read Homebodies. What's happening?
She's trying to read Miles to Go because she's the only slack one of the three of us that didn't buy it.
I'm not paying $20.
She's slack.
Okay. Why can't I borrow it?
Because I paid $25 for it.
You think I'm gonna ruin it?
Yes. Well, technically, I think Cooper would ruin it.
He ruins my geometry projects, not books. Which is a true story. I had to redo my geometry project.
Tori's afraid.
Oh, she likes to do calligraphy. Me too.
Anyways, I guess I'm the only one here that wants to leave you a video. But,
Yeah, I'm not one for videos.
I hope you're having fun at the movies. That sounds like fun. I hate you.
You can't hear me. I don't know how well your speaker picks up.
Okay.
I think I can read this by the time I leave.
I read it in like 2 hours. Sarah hasn't started it, I don't think.
Oh, if I had it, it'd be done. I'm reading a book about this guy.
You can read?
Those glasses aren't for show.
No.
I hate you.
Tori's phone is ugly.
You're a fucking loser. My phone is ugly.
My phone is gorgeous.
Yeah, true. Yeah, well, my phone sucks. It's Colin's old one. Calendar.
Ew. I've got
Hey,
bossity on me now.
You told me.
Sarah, wasn't he a cutie at Friendly's? That
yeah,
that red
that's supposed to be
sweatshirt.
enough.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, all he does is smoke weed and drink now, so.
I know people like that.
And abuse my mother, and
Oh.
next time he does, I'm gonna punch him in the fucking face.
I might too. I love Mama Jesus.
She hates you.
She loves me.
She likes Sarah, she hates you.
Oh no, she loves me.
She,
The only reason she would hate me is because you tell her I eat all your food all the time.
no. She doesn't mind if you eat her food.
See, because
Someone invites her to a party, she offers food. She's already made food. Okay? She's already made food.
Talk to the camera, Tori.
Whoa!
Whoa.
We talk about personal space ruined, considering our thighs are touching and our feet. See? Our feetsies are touching.
Tori likes to play footsies.
I do.
Putting it out there now. Anyone that ever has a sleepover with her, she likes to play footsies. Pretty sure she takes my socks off sometimes. I'm not sure. I just know when I sleep over,
I'm
they're
pretty
not
sure
on
I'm
in the
wearing
morning.
her socks.
Oh, wait, hold on. See those? Yep, left those there like, I don't know, 6 months ago? Okay. That's our story. She steals socks.
She's rubbing my foot right now. Stop the tickle. How long is this video?
Well, I hope Sarah likes it. We'll take another one when Tori's not so grumpy and cares about you a little bit.
Oh, I do care about you. I really do. I'm tired. And the closer Lily gets to me, the more warmth that I absorb from her body. And being warm puts me to sleep.
I'm not fat, bitch.
I didn't
I
say
know
her.
that's where you were going with that.
Everyone
I'm
has
sorry.
body
I
heat.
shouldn't have said that on a film that's going to be on your page. That's probably bad,
I
huh?
probably said the F word like twice already. So.
I'm not
My
fat,
apologies.
B-word. Anyways, Sarah, I love you. And, we were supposed to hang out tonight. Hey, stop it. Stop. We were supposed to hang out tonight. But New Britain's kind of far away because Tyler's a fag.
It's so nice about to talk about your BF there.
You're my BF there.
Hey girl. Actually, my mom's my BFF now. I'm not gonna lie, she got my card and everything.
I know you told me this.
I did?
Tori's mom bought her card for being BFFs.
Yeah, I was there with her when she bought it, and I had no clue what it was for.
I think it's pathetic. But I love Mama Jesus. I just don't love Tori that much. Okay.
Tell my mom that.
Well, Tori, as you can see, is hitting the sheets. You should come see me after your movie. I don't know if Tori's going to be awake or gone. I don't know.
I'll be here until 10:30 because my mommy is tired and in bed.
So come see us before 10:30. She ate all my pizza, but we saved you one piece.
Excuse me, I ate 2 pieces, fat ass.
Okay, bye, Sarah. Bye. Oh. Bye, Sarah. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.